Wolverine may be virtually indestructible with his adamantium bones and healing factor, but even he isn't immune to taking a major beating. The last issue of Wolverine finally puts the X-Men's popular Canadian mutant face to face with the villain who Marvel has revealed will tear him to shreds in the next issue. Seer Blackmore is a notorious Arakai pirate who leaves death and destruction in his wake, and now Wolverine is stepping right into his path as he embarks on an X-Force mission to find out what really happened to the Marauder. During the events of Krakoa's groundbreaking Hellfire Gala, the X-Force had their hands full cleaning up Beast's mess after his attempt at controlling the Terra Verdine ambassadors went horribly wrong, and because of that, they managed to miss the Marauder getting attacked and transported across the world. Emma Frost's ship was transporting a load of Shi'ar logic diamonds and was being manned by her brother Christian. Unfortunately, Christian was sent overboard and the ship never made it to its planned destination. So Wolverine was sent on the X-Force behalf to discover the truth about what went down and who went down with it. Back in May, Marvel revealed a salutation for Wolverine number 15, and on the cover, gruesome look at Wolverine with half of his adamantium skeleton completely exposed. Now with Wolverine number 14, the series creative team has finally given a proper introduction to the villain who will tear the X-Force agent to shreds, thus prepping the stage for what's to come. In this issue, when Wolverine finds the wrecked ship in Madripoor, the logic diamonds are nowhere to be found. They aren't the only things missing though, and the search for what, or rather who, escaped the hull is what leads Wolverine to come face to face with the Arakai pirate crime lord Seer Blackmore. Seer Blackmore isn't any normal villainous opponent, he's also a mutant, but he's a mutant from the dark dimension. He's big, he's mean, and it seems his insides are made of acid. Plus, after millennia of plundering and killing his way through Arakko, he and his fellow Bone Clutch pirates have turned their attentions to Earth. He's shaping up to be a formidable and gnarly opponent for Wolverine. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.